Hello, it's a Saturday today afternoon. I'm gonna open the kiln. Today is a bisque day. Okay, so what do we have here? It's some sort of a planter. Doesn't have a hole in it, but it's for a plant that one of my students made. I think it's nice. It's going to look nice. What's this? I made it. What do you think? Nice bowl. Not so heavy. Nice. What do you guys think about this?
Wow.
Kochi made it. It's a dwarf. Beautiful. A lot of facial hair. That's also Kochi made.
Cute.
Cute. Now, if you guys ask me what this is, I like to hear your comments because I made this. It's for utensils. This is for the spoons and this is for the rest. But what happened was it turned out that it's too low. So I decided to make an extension. So that's the extension. And my plan is, I have a plan. My plan is something that I never did before. And I decided I was just going to try it. If it's going to work, great. If it doesn't work, I'm not sure that I'm doing the right thing because in the kiln everything shrinks. And this obviously is going to shrink a little bit as well. But I'm hoping that the glaze, when I glaze this and I'm going to put it here and I'm going to glaze it again, that it's going to stick and it's going to look nice. Maybe I'm just hallucinating. I don't know. But I decided to try. This is something that one of my students made, Liat. Look at that. What do you think? It's a mouse or a rat or a cat? It's a cat. When she did it, we couldn't decide how it looks like, but I like it anyway. It's a cat and a rat. Yeah, maybe it is. Cat and a rat. Okay. Who made this?
I made this.
You made it. Very talented, Eran. Very talented. I like it. Now, what do you guys think about this turtle?
It's cute.
It's beautiful. It's going to look beautiful.
What's this?
It's a huge pebble. I made it. I don't know why I decided to do it, but I was thinking of doing something. I actually bought this for maybe, how much did it cost? I don't know, maybe 6 shekel. Maybe it's like $1.50 or something like that. And I wasn't sure if I was going to make it as a soap dish. I mean, if I did, I was supposed to make a hole, but then I decided maybe I was going to make it as a pebble and just paint over it and give it to my mom, to her little garden that she has. Owl. Beautiful. Okay. This is also something that I made. We'll see how that's going to come out. Sometimes, I don't know, I just make things, I don't know why, just because I want to make something different. Okay. Eran made it. What is it for? He doesn't know.
Maybe it's a part of a Chanukiah.
Hadas made it. Nice. Light.
Nice
Very
bowl.
nice.
Yeah.
Nice bowl. Ashtray. Don't smoke. It's not good for you. Okay. That somebody wanted me to make a soap dish for her. She makes soaps, and this is something that I'm going to try to do. Now, what's going to happen, I'm sure, the second firing, that it's going to, I think that's what's going to happen. It's going to go down a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put like maybe 2 things here, like from clay, that I have like little biscuits, that it's not going to drop all the way to the ground. If it wants to drop to the ground, I don't know, but we'll see. So it's something that I haven't made before. You see, there's like a little belly here. We'll see how it's going to come out. Nice. That's one of my students made it.
Beautiful.
It is very nice. Liat. Liat made it. It's nice.
Yep.
Okay. More of these. Wow, I don't remember actually who made it. I think Liat made it. Who made it? I don't know. They will probably know because I don't remember. Who made this? Hadas made it. Nice.
Yeah, a good cup.
Yeah. Okay. That Liat. I think I know who made it. I think it's Liat's daughter. And this is also Liat's daughter made it. Very nice. Yep.
That's it.
Okay. That's it. That's gonna be a bell. You see, I made a hole. She made a hole, and she's gonna hang it from here like that. It's gonna be a bell. That's it. So, see you next video. We'll see how all this is gonna turn out to be. And thanks for watching. Bye.